Hello everyone, my name is Monica and I'm an interior designer on this project located in Greenwich Village, New York. For this renovation, the client wanted a space to feel bright and cozy, so we went with a mix of white and wood tones. We refloored the entire apartment with white oak parquet that has a smoky tone, and we brought it into the kitchen as well. We selected a desaturated blonde oak for the kitchen cabinetry with a vertical grain. The flat panel doors and concealed hardware deliver a very clean look and modern aesthetic. The countertop is a natural quartz stone that features cool gray, warm, and sand honey tonalities, giving a soft touch to the design. To bring some drama, we extended the countertop to the floor with this beautiful waterfall edge. The backsplash is an elongated hexagonal shape with polished ceramic tile. We kept the sink and faucet in simple tones, stainless and brushed gold. For the bathroom, we used 3 different tiles. For the wall, we installed this elegant marble-looking porcelain tile with polish finished to add glow and brightness to the space. We selected a white polished marble herringbone mosaic tile with gray and gold veining that creates an eye-catching and sophisticated floor finish. To bring another layer of beauty into this luxurious bathroom, we installed these wave ceramic matte tiles in the shower. We utilized a large mirrored recessed medicine cabinet spanning the wall of the bathroom to make the room feel larger. The vanity is a mid-century inspired with soft edges and cylindrical legs and brings the natural wood tone into the design with an elegant Carrara marble top. We stayed consistent throughout the bathroom with satin nickel finishes and hardware. This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Start a new chapter with us.